Here are some of the reasons why I got the Midland ER40 Weather Radio. I needed something light and easy to carry. Put it in my backpack or on my trunk of my car. This AM/FM emergency radio gives me a peace of mind where I get NOAA emergency alert. It's almost 2 inches thick, 3 inches tall, and 6 inches long. It has the multifunction flashlight, rechargeable batteries that are included. This radio weighs a little over 14 ounces. And it has the optional hand crank, which allows you to recharge the radio during a power outage or any time away from a power source. For AM/FM radio and an extendable antenna. With a nice, easy, visible display, it comes with easy push rubber buttons. Speaker can be loud and can be very clear. It comes with a lanyard. Next to it is a headphone jack. The USB port is to charge your cell phone or another electronic device. The port next to it on the left is to recharge the radio. The 2600 mAh rechargeable battery lasts up to 32 hours with continuous use. I like that it has a backlit display and easily indicates that it's recharging. Here's a recharging solar panel that's on top of the radio via direct sunlight. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.